The reason you want to do this is because ultimately your data science team is still just a technical team. Your stakeholders are going to know the business side, right? You're a technical team, you're not a business team. It's your stakeholders that you're doing the project for that are really going to determine the next phase, which is, ideation and figuring out what you can do with your data, right? So you want to make sure that you're enabling them to be able to look at their own data and be able to exercise their own curiosity about their own domain knowledge, their own bias, things along those lines, to be able to give you other insights. Here's where you're doing EDA right. You've approached a really positive stage of EDA when you can have the pipelines, have a tool like Power BI or Tableau, something interactive. You present your insights, but then a couple weeks later, your stakeholder comes back and says, hey, I appreciate your insights, but here's 4 other things that we found by looking at data. We were surprised that our sales go up in the second half of the year because you gave me the ability to look at it by quarter or by seasonality, and I was able to put this, and this together, and here's where we want to go with it. That's where you've reached a pretty, perhaps the most beneficial stage of EDA.